So,
Cliffhanger.
what? Udemy courses, man. So, let's say you bought one, and now you have like 20 chapters which you have to go through. How do you do that? Like, do you just watch the video? Like, 20 minutes? Do you just watch it and consume what they say? Or do you stop it every, I don't know, 20 seconds and then do it by yourself and copy what they say? Like learning by doing, Or do you just, I don't know, do you do something else with
Mhm.
Udemy courses? Like, how would somebody do that? Or what is your advice to do that? Like if they start an Udemy course right now.
Well, I don't know if I can give advice, but I can say how I did or how like people can make use of those resources. The good thing about having a course is that it's recorded. It's not like you're in a classroom, the professor says something and it's gone.
No
You'll never hear it
pressure.
again. Yeah. And you can always replay. What I used to do, at the first days, I used to take notes on my on a notebook. Like whenever they introduce something new or a definition of something, I would post a video, write it down, read it again, see if I actually understood. Even if I did, sometime I would just go forward. And when it came to the practical part, I would follow along, like as the person's typing, I would type, or sometimes I would just watch and see what they're doing, and then go back again. So it's like the course takes, let's say, the course has a video or section that's like 10 minutes or 5 minutes. It would take me double of the time to go through that video because I watch, I go back, listen again, and maybe go back again and listen again. By the end, it takes me like double of the time it took to it takes for to finish the video. Like if it's 10 minutes, it might take me 15 or 20 minutes. That's because I repeated the thing.
Yeah.
And and sometimes you have the good thing about Udemy is that you have sections on the or chapters
Mm.
on the video on the course. What I used to do when I do things at home, like practicing the theory or the practical part, when I go out, I would still have it play with headphones when I'm in the transport or whatever,
Oh my
wherever
god.
I'm going. Yeah, I would. So I would repeat again what I did at home, but now this time I will be listening and watching on my phone.
Oh my god. Don't tell
Like,
me you fall asleep with Udemy courses as well.
no, I was too engaged to fall asleep.
Oh my
So
god.
so sleeping didn't happen. I was awake 24/7.
And then you create a for loop and loop through the list. And if every
Yeah,
time you do that, you find a new index. Oh my
yeah,
god. Okay, okay, I get it. Um, I think that's another topic which I wanted to talk about. Like the first one is the next episode we should talk about how to avoid becoming a Udemy developer because I think this is a really hot topic. And the other one is um, systems of learning because I don't know remember where I heard that, but um, what I did, for example, when I studied biotechnology, it was more like I learned
yeah.
everything like one by one, and I just learned it by heart because I had to learn it, And when I had to recall this topic, I just remembered, okay, it was this and this was the answer. Okay, nice. But after that,
Mhm.
I just forgot it. And I think what helps people, or the best advice which I would give people, is to first of all talk to yourself when you hear what you got explained to you. Like when you learn something, then try to speak to yourself. Like say, okay,
Yeah.
this is a variable which could be have any name, and that's assigned to this number which is called the integer, which is a data type, or explain it to somebody else. That could help. But another one is that you basically put it into like a system, so that you put the puzzle, like at the beginning everything is like a small puzzle and you don't know anything, right? Like I don't even know where to put something, um, like the background. But let's talk about this in the next episode.